Hey guys, this is very kind of different, and we're gonna be looking at things that you can make slime with. We're not gonna make slime, but we're gonna look at the stuff that you can make with it. So let's get started. But these are the only things that you can make with me, or something else. But these are things that you can make with me for slime. Hold on, guys. Gotta get up there. You can make with my slime with this body. So if you have that, it has to be with this one. It has to be this one. And forgot where this one went, but you can find it. But I'm gonna show you the slime that I did make out of lotion, shampoo, salt, and food coloring. That's all the stuff that I made out of this. It's this stuff. So, yeah, guys, it's this. So cool. In real life, it is. And sorry, don't say real life, but like, when you look at it in real life, when you see it, it's like, it's not this light, it's kind of like dark. It's darkish pink. So, remember what I told you at the beginning? Well, we're still gonna do that, but the things how you make this, it's goo and slime, so basically mixed up in one. But yeah, how you make this, it's very cool, and these stick to it. And everybody might have this stuff. So, you will need glue, shampoo, salt, lotion, and food coloring. And you have to mix food coloring to make a pink. I'm not going to tell you because I want you to learn, but you have to mix food coloring how to make this pink. And remember, it's dark pink. Very cool dark pink. So, yeah. In a while, we're going to be doing that. And this is so cool. It's very cool. Let's come look at it. See? Cool. That was very cool, right? So, yeah. I'm just getting something.
Please state your magic password.
Sorry. It's this thing wants to stay out.
Access denied.
So, yep. We're gonna stay how we was. Yeah, guys. So, I already told you how to make this cool stuff. Let's see how it plays this cool stuff. Okay. So, the thing that you can put it on is, you can put it on wood, you can put it on metal, you can put it on, let's see, concrete. But here's the thing, it has glue in it, and you know how glue sticks to everything. After a while, well, when you make, sorry guys, I'm gonna make it look cool. So like when you make this, after a while, it's gonna be just, it looks like it's dry, but it's actually not, because I'm taking the stuff out, see? And if you put it on anything dirty or like black, it's gonna stick. So, oh yeah, I forgot to this little cup for it. I had this little cup for it. So I'm gonna use it. I had this little cup for it, and it can make this cool sound. You wanna hear it? You can't look at it, but you can hear it. All you have to do is like squeeze it down, and then I don't think I have it. Just I know it's just not working. Oh, sorry guys, I don't have it on, but it makes a cool farting sound with putty, but it's not putty. It's not putty. See? That's the sound. And then you can make it if you squeeze it down in the bottom. Alright, you can make it in any kind, but it has to be at least round, and it has to be a circle bottom. So yeah, that's how you do it. And remember, the ingredients are shampoo, salt, lotion, glue, and food color. And remember, the food color you have to mix to make a pink. So, see you later.